Are you tired? And I'm not talking about physically tired, but are you tired deep down in your soul? Now, this type of fatigue, it comes from putting your blood, sweat, and tears into a vision, into a business, only to find out that you're barely making afloat. Now, I know that the world tells us that the grind will set you free. And I know that everybody is saying that hustling is the way. But let's be for real. How long are you going to hustle? How long are you going to struggle? I understand that you carry wounds and scars that nobody knows about, that no one can see. And the betrayal. Those betrayals, they cut down deep.
I started off in the fire. I was forged in the fire. I started off in a shelter. I was a single mother, and I was homeless. I was over 400 pounds, and I was just completely bankrupt, financially, emotionally, all of the above. I want them to know that they have the ability to overcome. Like where you are today, you might be in the pit, you might be at your lowest point in your life, but there is always an opportunity to rise from that. And it's not just about rising. That's pretty cliche in today's world, right? What I really focus on is legacy and generational wealth. And I want to make sure whoever comes into my consulting agency, that they are aware that this is not for the side hustler. This isn't for the person that just dibbles and dabbles with business. This is for the champion. This is the person that's at conflict with their bloodline. I'm coming for the person that needs to draw the line in the sand regarding their generational curses of poverty and struggle. Like one day we all have to graduate from the struggle.
We stop surviving and we start building. Folks, it is time to build your ark. You're thinking, ark? What ark? What is she talking about? That ark is your business that succeeds. That ark is your business that is built well. That ark is your sanctuary that scales. That ark is the vessel that not only carries you, but the clients that you were meant to serve.